Hello students, welcome to the fifth session of overview of C. So in previous sessions we have studied C character set, identifiers and keywords. Then we have studied different data types, and next we have studied constants and variables. In this session we will study what are the different types of operators used in C language. So let's start with this session. C supports number of operators which are already built in. C operators are classified into number of categories. So the first one is arithmetic operators. Second, relational operators. Third one is logical operators. Next, assignment operators. Fifth one, shorthand assignment operators. Sixth one, increment and decrement operators. Seventh, bitwise operators. And eighth one is conditional operators. So now we will study the first one, that is arithmetic operators. C provides all the basic arithmetic operators. The operators plus, minus, multiplication and division all works the same way as they do in other language. These operators can operate on built-in data type allowed in C. So here the first one is plus operator, that is used for addition. Next one is minus operator, which is used for subtraction. Next, multiplication operator, which is used for multiplication. Next, division, which is used for division. And last, that is modulo operator, which is used for modulo division. For example, A plus B, A minus B, A into B, A divided by B, and A mod B. In this way, arithmetic operators are used. Here, A and B are variables and are known as operands. Again, arithmetic operators are subdivided. In that, first one is integer arithmetic. When both the operands in a single arithmetic expression, such as A plus B, are integers, the expression is called an integer expression, and the operation is called integer arithmetic. Integer arithmetic always holds an integer value. Suppose A plus B, A minus B, A into B, A divided by B, A mod B. These are integer expressions. That is, if A and B are integers, and if A equal to 14 and B equal to 4, we will get the result, that is, for addition 4 plus 14, that is 18. For subtraction, that is 14 minus 4, that is 10. Then for multiplication, 14 into 4, that is 56. Next, division, that is 14 divided by 4, that is 3. And last, 14 mod 4, that is 2. During integer division, fractional part will be removed, and while modulo division, you will get the remainder of division. Second type is real arithmetic. An arithmetic operation involving only real operands is called real arithmetic. For example, if the value of A is 6.9 and value of B is 3.0, then A plus B, that is 6.9 plus 3.0, the answer will be 9.9. 6.9 minus 3.0, answer will be 3.9. Next, 6.9 into 3.0, and the answer will be 20.7. Next, 6.9 divided by 3.0, the answer will be 2.3. The modulo operator cannot be used in real operands. Next one is mixed mode arithmetic. When one of the operand is real and the other is integer, the expression is called as mixed mode arithmetic expression. If either operand is of real type, then only the real operation is performed and the result is always a real number. For example, if A equal to 15 and B equal to 10.0, here A is an integer number and B is real number. So A plus B, that is 15 plus 10.0, the answer will be 25.0. Next, 15 minus 10.0, the answer will be 5.0. Next, 15 into 10.0, the answer will be 150.0. And 15 divided by 10.0, the answer will be 1.5. Again, here also modulo operator cannot be performed. So that's it for today's session. In next session, we will see other operators.